Are you facing problem when you try to pair Apple Watch with your iPhone? So many users could not pair their iPhone with an Apple Watch. The following message pop up. iPhone out of date. The Apple Watch required a newer version of iOS. There is two options. Cancel pairing or learn more. No any further option shows to complete the process. This is an important problem. Unless you fix it, you will not able to use your Apple Watch. Here, this video helps to solve the problem. On your iPhone, first, you have to check for update. If update available, update it. In my cases, iPhone is running latest iOS. But in iPhone Access Max, watch setup process is well, no message pop up. iPhone 7 to 12 Pro Max, the latest version is 14.4.2 now. Complete the setup process. This may take more time, so I skip videos on some section. Why this happen? If you got an Apple Watch and such problem appears, this video tells you the solution for that issue. No doubt, iPhone 7 and XS Max have same version. But what happened? The answer is Apple Watch have beta OS installed. This beta software is hybrid of running iOS and device. Keep is the latest iOS that the Apple released for non-developer users or who don't have beta iOS profile installed. If the iPhone was running beta software, then if the Apple Watch was running with beta software, then if you try to connect with other iPhone, then this message pop-ups. How to remove beta profile from Apple Watch? Go to Setting, General, scroll down, tap on Profile and Device Management. Here you can see beta profile installed on your iPhone. You can remove beta profile from here. This is the iPhone beta profile. How to find Apple Watch Beta OS profile? Open Apple Watch app. Scroll down, tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Profile. Here you can see profile is not shown. Where is the Watch Beta profile? To get beta profile, you have to follow the procedure. Go to web address beta.apple.com. Sign in. Put Apple ID password. Not now. Go to Apple Watch app. General and scroll down and Profiles. You got an hidden profile and remove it. Here the profile was disabled or not shown, but now the profile was shown. Remove it from here. If iPhone asks for password, insert it and reboot. Then beta profile is removed from your Apple Watch. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.